Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are we? How are we doing? This is something new. This is something that's crazy. I never even would have thought that I would be doing this. Never. But guess what? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. And I'm so glad that I finally uploaded. I'm so glad because something that I love. They tell you to do something that you love. Something that you wouldn't mind to not get paid for. But it would keep you going. It would keep you motivated. It would keep you doing it. Something that you don't love, that stops you. That's what I did. I didn't love to make pizza. But I did it because it was getting me paid more than editing. So that's why I made pizza, because I looked at it, I said, editing pizza. Well, this gets me paid a little bit more. So you know what? Let me do pizza. And a year later, here I am. That's crazy. The only thing I would say is I grew a lot over the past year. I used to be very shy. I don't have that anymore. I have it a little bit, but not as much to the extent where I used to be shy in front of people. I used to be shy talking to a girl. I used to be real shy. And I broke out of that. I said it's either I change or I'm gonna be like this for the rest of my life. And I said I don't want to be like this for the rest of my life, so I'm gonna change. And this is something I want to do new with my channel. I like to edit, but editing takes too much of my time. I don't have 3 days to edit anymore. I enjoy editing. I really enjoy it. I want to teach somebody how to edit too. I want to teach you guys what I know about editing. But I also want to move on, and I want to build a business and start a network online. I want to build an online internet business that's very successful, and I believe I can do it. I believe I can do it, and I know I can. That's why I'm making this video. I want to make something new out of my channel. I want to show you guys what I do throughout the day. What I do in life. What I want to do. What I'm going to improve on. What I want you to improve on. I want us all to do the same thing. I want you to follow me along the pathway. And I want to say thank you for everybody that has supported me. I am very serious. I want to say thank you. I didn't know who was gonna stick along, who was gonna stand by me. I was thinking about starting a new channel because I said I wanted to be a new me, a new Tassim. That's who I am. I'm Tassim. I want to change my channel name to Tassim because that's who I am. But I also want to keep on growing and keep on improving. Whoever's my age, if you're 18, you realize that it's no fun and games anymore. It's real life. You go to school, but school's not gonna get you paid. So what's gonna get you paid? What are you gonna do that's gonna get you paid? And that's why I want to build a network. Whoever's 18, you can come with me. If you're 17, I will teach you what I know, because I want to teach you guys what I know. I've been learning a lot. I've been reading every day. I've been listening to speeches every day. I've been listening to the law of attraction every day. I've been thinking. Something that we don't do. We don't think. We need to start thinking, because your thoughts become reality. Your thoughts become things. Your thoughts are the most powerful thing on this planet. You're in full control of your thoughts. I want to be able to teach you guys what I know and what I learn. Everything I learn, I want to be able to teach you. Are you willing to learn? Are you willing to be taught? Are you willing to teach me? I want to learn too. So the future of my channel is going to be me. I'm going to be real. I want to show you guys how to be successful. I don't want to show you, I show entertainment, but how to be successful is important too. So I want to do both. I want to have fun, but I also want to make fun. I want to travel. Do you want to be cooped up? Do you want to live in the same part of town your whole life, grow up there, and live there. Some people, oh, hey, that's great. It's great. It is great. But I want to improve. I want to move. I want to travel. I want to do different things. That's why I want you guys to know that I'm always about improving. So if you want to improve, then you let me know. I want to bring you along this journey. I want to start something new. If you want to improve with me, let me know down below. If you're 18, let me know down below. I will work with you. I will teach you everything I know. And I'm serious. I'm not playing. I am serious. I want to teach you everything I know. It's if you're willing to learn. So I want you to let me know that down below, and we're going to work together. And I want to say thank you just for sticking around. I want to say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.